Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami jumping stick designed by Jeremy Shafer. And there's this tutorial. So you just place it on the desk like this, and you let go really fast and it jumps like that. Isn't that cool? Oh, gotta do it really fast. There it goes, and just fell on the floor. Yep. And what's also cool about it is that if you make two of them and join them together like this, and this is actually what he did for his members only, so you have to be a member to learn how to do this, and this also makes them jump. See, they both jump at the same time. And I think that's really cool. Oh, see if I can make it jump higher. There it goes. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the demo. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.